Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off iPhone may be too close. So if you give your iPhone to your child, or while other person is using your iPhone, it pops, iPhone is too close, and now you want to fix this so that you know you call to come fix your iPhone is too close each time the person is using it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off iPhone may be too close is all you need to do is go to your phone settings. On settings page, scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Now scroll down the screen time page, locate limit usage and click on screen distance. You can see reduce eye strain, click on that. Now if you have the screen distance turned on, then you need to turn this off to disable or turn off iPhone may be too close. As you can see, to reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in children, screen distance will allow you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So if your iPhone is too close, your iPhone is going to show screen is too close. But if it is far away, the warning screen is too close is going to be disabled. So to solve this problem of iPhone may be too close, all you need to do is go ahead and disable screen distance. And once you disable that, your iPhone will stop using your Face ID from tracking your closeness to your iPhone. And at this point, your iPhone will not warn you against myopia in children. You're gonna hit the buy button, and then that is it. So that is basically how to turn off iPhone may be too close. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.